All right, guys, now we're on to the last three questions, 6, 7, and 8. Start by looking at number 6. It says to use a calculator to value each answer in problems 1 and 2. So let's just recall what the answers for 1 and 2 were. 1 was ln of 10 over 3, ln of 10 over ln of 3. And problem number 2 was the same thing, but with log, right? Log 10 over log 3. The whole point of this is that in a typical calculator, maybe it's not the truth for some of the newer ones or graphing calculators, but in a typical calculator, you only have ln's and log bases 10. You don't have other logs, other arbitrary log bases. And so what we do is we write whatever log we have, in terms of either one of these two guys, then we just punch it into the calculator. Right, so at this point, I'm going to share my screen with you now. And then let's look at how to punch that into a calculator. And actually, I have it here already. So, let's just punch it in from the start. Okay, so the first one we had was ln of 10 over ln of 3, right? That's all you do, just type it in. Or if you're using a handheld calculator, just enter it, punch it in, and you get 2.0959, roughly. Now let's do the same thing with log base 10. Log base 10 of 3. And you see, as expected, we get exact same numbers, yeah, exact same values. That's it. And then number 7, approximate log base 5 of 12 to the nearest thousand. Okay, so there's no way to type log base 5 of 12. So instead, I'm just going to use ln of 12 on the top, ln of 5 on the bottom. And I get 1.544 to the nearest thousandth, round to the 3 decimal places, yeah? Or if you preferred, you could have used log base 10 and you get the same exact number. Okay, last one, number 8. Log base 16 of 243, which I'm going to do it by using log base 10 of 243 over log base 10 of 16, and that's what I get. Or I could have just used ln of 243 over ln of 16, and again, I get the same thing. To the nearest thousandth, that would be 1.981, and that is it. That's the whole thing. All right, folks, we're almost there. This is the last week of new instruction. Like I said, we are finished with 4.3. Wednesday, we'll do 4.41, and then Friday, 4.4 part 2, and then that's it. We're going to start reviewing for your final after that. All right, guys, have a good one. See ya.